How you doing? Will, Mr. Clutch Beatty here with McLeod Racing, and wanted to feature a brand new product. This is a Clutch Cooler Pro. And what this does is we have an air fan pulling in fresh air, filtered fresh air, and we're blowing it into the bell housing itself, evacuating all that hot air that gathers inside of this bell housing. All these clutches and these transmissions, they seal this off so there's no air coming in. And the problem is the air gets trapped. And every time you use a clutch, you generate heat. Every time you slip it, heat goes up, heat goes up. And if you're not having airflow come in and out, all it does is stagnant hot air. And we're heating the clutch, we're heating the hydraulics, we're heating the transmission itself. So when we put air inside of here and evacuate it out, we're putting cool air into that, and then we're cooling the clutch down. And what that's gonna do is generate longer clutch life, cool everything down. Same with the hydraulics. We're not boiling the fluid in the hydraulics anymore. We're cooling it all down. And what a great product. I mean, this is innovative. Nobody else has this but us. For more information about this product, please visit McLeodRacing.com.